I throw volleyballs in the tree, and all of a sudden you fly out because you're a cicada. Stop laughing at me, you stupid bitch. You know what I'm talking about, you? Cicadas love hummus.
Oh,
you ever
man.
read the Bible? Cicadas were one of the, I don't even know. Bugs came and then, like, the water was bloody.
Like Moses, dude, Moses.
I know, right? But they're all Egyptian. And then you're Jewish.
Are you saying I'm Jewish and I have a big schnoz?
That's half of the battle.
What's the other half?
He's Jewish. Yeah, that's right. Fucking Jews.
You're so funny.
I know, I'm funny. Cicadas don't drink water. They eat hummus. They live in my backyard and they yell all night. They're all like, David, you can't sleep. I'm gonna scream them all night. I'm gonna mate with this other female cicada. Cicadas told me to say, woo! You are the hungriest cicada I've ever seen. Take that sip, cicada. You have a big Adam's apple, cicada. You're a bumblebee now? Captain Crunch called. He said you're a fucking...
What does that even mean?
It means nothing. I just said that. Tell me about your world. I've never flown before. No crops to destroy. No Native Americans for you to eat our corn. God, this cicada loves hummus.
Get back here.
Okay. Shithole. All joking aside, your brothers and sisters, cicadas, are all over the place there. I own this walkway, and I'm like, no, go talk to Michael. It's ridiculous.
Is Michael your boss?
No, it's you. It's all you, Pinky. Whoops.
You're wearing a pink shirt.
I have a pink shirt too. You're about to cash that hummus out. They only come out of the ground every like 7 years, and then they eat hummus like it's nobody's business. And they're all like, oh, this is the best hummus I've ever had since I went in the ground 7 years ago. Don't tell me, fuck me, cicada. I'm gonna pop up every 7 years, and then I'm gonna mate with some other bitch cicada. I'm gonna have another baby cicada, maybe a couple thousand. I don't know. I'm gonna have some larvae. I don't fucking know what you do. Throw volleyballs in trees, have all your brothers and sisters fly out of the fucking tree, and I hit them with fucking tennis rackets. That's larvae.
On that note, I'm gonna go take a piss.
And of course, cicadas don't even pee. You're just gonna go to the bathroom. Guys, get down, because they're gonna fucking swarm us. Get a bowl, get a knife.
No,
whatever
don't.
you can. Swing at them. Cicadas don't pee. Being like you're a cicada, you probably come.
Are you implying that cicadas are Jewish?
Most likely, yeah. If not Jewish, Israeli. Hey Moses, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah. I'm gonna fall asleep at my desk tomorrow at work. My mom's gonna get mad at me.
My mom's gonna get mad.
She's a cicada too. She says, why can't you be awake like me, Junior Cicada? I like bugs.